In this video, we will go through the process of removing carbon deposits from turbo vanes and shroud plates using the HE300VG turbine as an example. Other turbines can be fixed in this manner also. If you drive with a faulty or stuck actuator, the vanes and shroud plate will clog with soot and cause turbine failure. To eliminate soot deposits, you can use this device to budge out and free up vanes. First, churn sector gear from end to end until it moves freely. If the result is not achieved in a few minutes or the sector gear does not reach one of the end positions, the shroud plate or vanes are permanently damaged. If the course has become free, in a sharp churn you should hear a loud cling at each end positions. Gear travel should be smooth and should not stick at all. Another important detail is the turbine surface must be thoroughly cleaned of any rust or debris to prevent coolant from entering inside the actuator. Website link in the description below. Thank you for watching.